Hi, welcome to this video tutorial. This is a part of the water use efficiency training under the FAO project on Building Forward Better initiative. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate an image analysis algorithm. It is developed to analyze images taken by conventional or drone cameras to assess the amount of damage caused by different means to the concrete lining of an irrigation canal. The manual process of inspection and crack detection is a time-consuming job, and its accuracy largely depends upon the inspector judgment. Any RGB image is composed of red, blue, and green color channels. It is technically difficult to identify and extract certain portions of the image based on the composite RGB pixel values. That is why in this algorithm, we first transform and calibrate the RGB image into a grayscale image. On the grayscale, the pixels have calibrated values of light intensity. The image is classified into several classes based on different color shades represented by different intensity levels in a grayscale image. Finally, a special subset of the canal lining and a spectral subset of the image intensity of the damaged portion are created. The intersection of these two subsets results in the quantification of damage in the canal lining. So when we start the analysis, it lets us compare the RGB image with the calibrated grayscale image and the frequency diagram of calibrated image intensity. From this comparison, we will try to identify two things. First, the threshold intensity levels of damaged and undamaged portions of the image, and second, a polygon to enclose the potentially damaged portion of the lining. In this tutorial, an image intensity level of 0 to 0.84 is used to represent the damaged portion of concrete lining. For the polygon to enclose the potentially damaged face of the concrete lining, we will run the next segment of the algorithm and identify the damage faced by drawing a polygon. This polygon will make the special subset of the data. Now in the next segment of the analysis, we will input the threshold values of image intensity levels into the algorithm to create the spectral subset of data with lower limits of 0 and an upper limit of 0.84. With this, the input of the analysis is complete and we can see the result after intersecting the spatial and spectral subsets. Here, the result compares the original and spatial subset of the image with the analyzed portion, showing two distinct colors as damaged portion and undamaged portion. To quantify the amount of damage, we will run the final segment of the analysis, which calculates the damaged portion as a percentage of the total size of the concrete segment by counting the number of pixels in each class. In this case, it shows that about 50% of the analyzed segment is damaged. Now, if we know the dimensions of the concrete segment that we selected as a polygon during the analysis, we can easily quantify the amount of concrete that will be required to rehabilitate the damage. I hope this tutorial gives you an idea on the rapid assessment of irrigation canal lining using image analysis, especially in the inaccessible and remote areas. If you are interested in learning further about this method, please contact us at the Land and Water Division in FAO Rome. Thank you.